lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time.
I'm like so out of breath right now, it's not even funny. Okay. Got the mirror. This mirror's kind of dirty. To be honest, maybe just... I don't even use this side. Who really uses the 3 magnifying side? I don't use it because honestly it's really blurry to me. I mean, wait a minute. This actually kind of... Whoa. Anyways, let's get this started. I'm gonna get some... I don't really know where I'm going with this. I just know that I'm about to dip on out of here. No, I'm just kidding. It's Easter and I cannot find anything. So it's Easter. I don't celebrate Easter, but I'm going to my grandma's house. Food is food. If they're cooking, I'm gonna be there, you know. I got an Alexa Dot. I'm so happy. The only thing that's annoying is you have to use a portable charger when you want to move it somewhere. Like, why is it that you have to keep it plugged in? So I'm probably gonna trade this in. And get the big Echo, cause yeah. But it's been nice, you know. I like it. I've been rocking Chloe and Halle's album. Love them. My favorite songs are Baby Bird, High Low, Everywhere, Happy With Me, and Fall. So I'm gonna put the CVS moisturizer on, and yeah, you know. I feel like today isn't the day to try new things, but what am I doing? I'm trying new things. Taking the Anastasia contour kit, yeah, and I'm taking this orange shade in the middle right here. Do we have names? Coral. Okay, yeah, I'm taking Coral. Okay, now I'm taking my Smashbox Studio Skin Finish 24-hour waterproof concealer. Wow, that is a mouthful. But yeah, I'm taking this. I'm in the shade medium dark. So yeah. Okay, so I'm taking the contour kit and I'm gonna take Grwm and Espresso, like these two. I'm gonna mix them together and contour.
I know you won't leave me hanging, smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed.
Okay, to bring some color back to my face, I'm going to use this Fit Me Matteless Poreless Powder Foundation in the color 360 Mocha. I'm going to think I'm gonna use the Tartelette and Bloom palette today. This is one of my favorite palettes, so I'm gonna see what I'm going to do. Pull up with no one, sex early in the morning. So I'm taking Smarty Pants. Yeah. Move down the fire. You wanna make me feel like this, that girl I know. I'm gonna take Jetstar right here. I'm gonna go see Nav live, y'all. I'm so lit. I'm so excited. Ooh, I love Nav. I'm so ready to go see him live. Also, you guys should like follow me on Instagram because I want to go live like a lot, and I'm not gonna go live if people aren't gonna be there. So y'all should follow me. We can just chat and everything. You know, it could be cute or whatever. But yeah, back to this look. Okay, I'm gonna take Rebel to kind of just deepen it a little bit. Rebel right there. Okay. Baby, I'm gonna take Funny Girl right here. Okay, I'm gonna take this angled brush and I'm gonna take Jetstar and Rebel, mix it together and put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to put on my mascara. Also, I've been watching a lot of AliExpress hauls, and so I've been ordering stuff on AliExpress, and if you guys want me to do a haul, I definitely will, because like AliExpress is really iffy, you know what I mean? It's a hit or miss site. I mean, you can get some cute stuff from there. I usually get like my bundles from there, but I've never gotten clothes and stuff from there. But I feel like AliExpress is really like hit or miss, because this stuff's coming from China and typically their stuff runs really small, and then it also takes forever to get to you. So I got one of the stuff I ordered like really fast. I was happy about that one, but I got it a size up and it fits just right. So yeah, I'm a little nervous on how the other stuff is gonna be, but I mean, hey, it'll make a pretty entertaining video, you know? Deciding if I want to do falsies or just leave it like this. I feel like I'm gonna do falsies. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but guys, I'm in school. Please just understand, like, it's a little rough right now, but I'm really trying to get my life together because I'm about to transfer colleges next year, so I have to do all that, and things just aren't happening as planned. I thought I was gonna go to one college. I mean, I got accepted into the college, but not the program that I wanted to get accepted into. So I don't know if I'm going there. I'm pretty much not going there. But so I have to find, I mean, I got accepted into other colleges too, but at the end of the day, it's not really where I want to go. But you're there to secure that bag, you know? That's what I'm gonna do, you know? I'm gonna make the best of it. We'll see. So I'm still stuck between two colleges, which one I want to go to. it's a hard decision. You want to make sure you're going to the best college that you can be at. And I'm trying, I really am, but we'll just see. I have 5 weeks left of college, so, well, for this semester, because I took summer classes too. Fun. You know, the last 5 weeks is when they seem, especially after spring break. I had spring break 2 weeks ago, and especially after spring break, they crackle down on you. They are not playing. And spring break, I was still doing work too. Like, I had to work full time during spring break. So I'm just constantly busy. It came out decent. Like, it could be worse. You know, I did this without tweezers. I really need to find those, because, you know, this is a bit much. These lashes are kind of cute. I got these a long time ago. They're called, what does it say? Iris and Paris. Yes, and they're on, got these off of Amazon a long time ago. And these are really good. Dang, these are cute. I ain't even, okay, let me stop. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this MAC Glow with It Extra Dimension Skin Finish for highlight. Okay, this is the L'Oreal Paris Toasted Almond Lipstick. I'm gonna take Firecracker and apply this on my lips. Okay guys, that's it for this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, whenever that is. So yeah, bye guys.